Hello everyone. I've got 30 seconds to try and get this video done. So we've got Blender. I love this interactive information that we've got there. I need something better than this thing where I'm logging out stuff. So I decided to do something with that you're not ordinarily supposed to do with Blender. I'm turning it into an IDE, or attempting to. It's pretty buggy. It's free. It's amazing that in this day and age that we have this kind of software available to us for free, so we can't complain. Right, 30 seconds, I'm already over. So I need to run this. So what I've got there is a HUD that's popping up from an operator, a Python operator that runs in the Blender environment and allows me to have this like an integrated development environment with a head-up display. Just do it again. And the important thing is I can fly around while it's on screen. I'm not blocked out of it. And I can toggle it back on and off. And we can see the messages coming through. Those didn't come through letter by letter. It was still teething. But isn't that cool? An IDE in Blender with Python. And I'm going to feed this into ChatGPT and I'll have Sarah coming through, my AI.